welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll tell you how to fix ghost touch on iPhone permanently. And if you need immediate DIY solution, you can try out cleaning dust and oil from your iPhone using a microfiber cloth. And you can also remove screen protector or a case if that is cracked or misaligned, or dirty protector can trap static. And after that, what you can do is first restart your phone. For that, just tap on your volume up, then quickly release, then down, and then tap on this side button instantly until the Apple logo appears. And that is how you can fix ghost touch. And you can also go on your settings, then on accessibility, and there we need to find touch and go on touch accommodation and turn it on, and then ignore, and then also toggle on this ignore repeat and set this to 0.10 second timer, and that will help you to ignores accidental or repetitive touch in iPhone. And if you need a permanent solution, go to your authorized service provider and take a video of ghost touch happening with another phone, and and ask them to repair programs. And that is how you fix your ghost touch on your iPhone permanently. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.